Alright, so hi guys, today I am making a vlog. One is not a big one, but anyway, I am outside with my dog, and my dog is right there. She's just so cute. Let me show you. So like any animal, she's not looking to the camera. Oh yeah, she is a girl and her name is Olive. So now we're going back home. And that's it. But I'm not going to finish here the video because it will be so short. So I was thinking much better to show you where is going my dog. Olive. Now we are going back, and I think she's very happy because it's outside. So, yes. Come on, here. Alright. So we are closer and closer. And my dog is finally not going. Kidding, she's just there. She doesn't like to stay, like, she should want here, like, with my leg, let's just say. And she knows where we should go. Right, so we're here. And I'm running, I know. It's worse, but hey, that's the way I am. Here, the light is not so good. No way. Right. So we're going up, up, up. Actually, my dog is crying. I don't know why, but she doesn't like here, and that's normal. Like or not, it's the same thing. Look at my face, and I'm looking like a carrot here. Alright, good light again. So, bye guys.